How to create an account on PC Optimum. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you wish to create a new account on PC Optimum, here is how you can do it. First and foremost, head over to Play Store or App Store to download the app. Once that is done, launch the application and click on the register option. Once you click on it, you will see two options. First is input your email address. Second is create a password and confirm it by typing it again. So once you reach on this page, provide in your details regarding email and password. Then after, check on the boxes to agree to the privacy policy and PC Optimum terms and conditions. After clicking on continue button, you'll have to enter your first name and last name. Then agree to the terms and conditions again. And now, if you have the PC Optimum card, you'll have to link it at this step. If you do not have the card, you can tap on Access My Card via this app and skip the linking process for now. This way, you have created your new account on PC Optimum. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.